I am very bored today.
Me too. Life is a little slow.
The television has nothing good.
We've finished all the movies.
We need a new hobby.
What kind of hobby?
I want to learn the guitar.
Guitar? That sounds cool.
Yes, we can play songs together.
That is a great idea.
Let's go buy a guitar today.
But I cannot go with you today.
Do you have things to do?
Yes, I must pay my parking ticket.
Oh no, when did you get it?
Last Tuesday in the city.
Okay, I need to visit the bank too.
What do you need at the bank?
I want to open a savings account.
Good idea. We should save more money.
After the bank, I will buy a guitar.
And I will go to the library.
The library? Why?
I will borrow a book about guitar.
A beginner guitar book?
Yes, a teacher self-book.
Great, we can learn together.
It will be so much fun.
Let's meet at home tonight.
Next in line, please.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I need to pay a parking ticket.
Do you have the ticket with you?
Yes, here is the yellow paper.
Let me look at it.
I parked on Main Street last week.
You parked in a no parking zone.
Yes, that was my mistake.
The fine is $50.
$50? That is a lot.
Yes, the red zone is very strict.
I understand. Can I pay with cash?
Yes, we take cash or credit card.
I will pay with cash.
That is fine.
Here are 5 $10 bills.
Let me count it. Yes, $50.
Is that all I need to do?
Yes, I will give you a receipt.
That was quick. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is your receipt.
I will keep this in my wallet.
Good idea. Drive safely, sir.
I will. Have a nice day.
Hello, I want to open an account.
Welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
What kind of account do you need?
A savings account, please.
Okay. I need to see your ID first.
Here is my driver's license.
I will copy it.
What else do you need from me?
I need your phone number and address.
My number is 555-1234.
And your home address?
88 Maple Street, apartment 3B.
Good. Now please fill out this form.
Where do I sign my name?
Please sign at the bottom of the page.
Okay, done. Here you go.
How much do you want to deposit today?
I want to deposit $500.
Cash or check?
Cash, please.
Let me count it. 500. Correct.
What is the interest rate?
It is 3% per year.
That sounds good.
Your savings account is now open.
Great. Thank you for all your help today.
You're welcome.
Hello. Welcome to the library.
Hi, I need a library card.
Sure. Do you live in the city?
Yes, I live on Maple Street.
Great. Can I see your ID?
Here is my driver's license.
Let me type your name.
How long does it take?
Just 1 minute. Almost done.
This library is very beautiful.
It is 80 years old.
Is my card ready?
Yes. Here is your new blue card.
Thank you. How many books can I borrow?
Up to 5 books at a time.
Good. I need a music book today.
What kind of music?
Guitar. I am a beginner.
The music section is on the left.
Can you help me find a good one?
Sure. Follow me this way.
There are so many books here.
Try this green one. It has pictures.
It shows where to put my fingers.
Yes, it is very popular.
I will borrow this one. Thank you.
Enjoy learning guitar.
Hi, I want to buy a guitar.
Welcome. Is it for you?
Yes, I am a total beginner.
No problem. I can help you.
Do you have acoustic guitars?
Yes, they are on this wall.
Wow, there are so many.
For beginners, I like this one.
The brown one? It is pretty.
Yes, the wood is very smooth.
Can I hold it?
Of course. Here you go.
It is lighter than I thought.
That is good for a beginner.
Can I try playing it?
Sure, just strum the strings.
Like this?
Yes, the sound is warm and nice.
I like it. How much is it?
It is $120.
Does it come with a case?
Yes, a free black case.
What about guitar picks?
I will give you 3 free picks.
Great deal. I will take it.
Cash or credit card?
Credit card, please.
Here is your guitar. Have fun.
I am home. Look at my new guitar.
It is beautiful. I love the color.
Did you get the book?
Yes, this green book is great.
Open it to the first page.
Okay, step 1 is how to hold it.
Like this? On my right leg?
Yes, and sit up straight.
My back is straight now.
Good. Now look at page 2.
It shows the 6 strings.
The thick one is on top.
Do I press the strings?
Yes, use your left hand fingers.
Which finger? This one?
Yes, press the first string hard.
Ouch! It hurts my finger.
The metal strings are sharp at first.
Now what do I do?
Strum all the strings with your right hand.
Oh no!
That sounds like a sick cat.
Do not laugh at me.
I am sorry. Try again.
It still sounds bad.
It takes time. Do not give up.
Let's try again tomorrow.
Good idea. My ears need a rest.
Good morning, Dan.
Morning, Sarah. Nice weather today.
Yes, the sun is very warm.
Are you watering your flowers?
Yes, the soil is very dry.
Your red roses look beautiful.
Thank you. I water them every day.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
I heard some sounds last night.
Oh no. What kind of sounds?
Like a cat in pain.
That was not a cat.
Really? What was it then?
We bought a guitar yesterday.
Oh, you were learning music.
Yes, but we are very bad.
Everyone is bad at the start.
You could hear us from your house?
Just a little bit. Do not worry.
I am so sorry for the noise.
No, do not be sorry.
We will practice more quietly.
Practice louder. Music is good.
You are a nice neighbor.
Thanks. Play me a song one day.
I promise I will. Goodbye, Dan.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.
Tom, I just talked to Dan.
Our neighbor? What did he say?
He heard us play last night.
Oh no, was he angry?
No, he was very nice about it.
That is a relief.
But he said it sounded like a cat.
A cat? That is embarrassing.
We need to practice more.
You are right. Give me the book.
Here, open to page 10.
This page shows an easy chord.
What is a chord?
You press 3 strings at one time.
3? That is hard.
Put your fingers here, here, and here.
Like this? Is this right?
Almost. Move your pinky finger up.
Okay. Now I strum?
Yes, slowly, very slowly.
Oh, wow. That sounded really good. I did it. A real chord.
The book is really helpful.
Let's learn one more chord.
Okay, page 11 has another one.
My fingers are getting stronger.
We are getting better every minute.
I think I am ready now.
Ready for what?
Ready to play a whole song.
Really? Which song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
That is a perfect first song.
The book has it on page 20.
I see it. It uses 2 chords.
I know both chords now.
Okay, I will count for you.
Am I doing it right?
Yes, keep going. Do not stop.
I finished it, the whole song.
You did it. That was amazing.
My fingers hurt a lot.
But you played a real song.
Dan can hear us right now.
This time it sounds like music.
Not like a sick cat anymore.
We should learn a new song tomorrow.
Yes, maybe a love song next time.